Hey Glam Squad, welcome back and welcome to all of you who are new to my channel. I am so glad you are here. In this video, I am going to refresh my downstairs bathroom, aka my powder room for spring. I don't think you guys have seen my face since the New Year's. I don't think it's too late to say Happy New Year. Let me quickly show you guys the scent that I'm wearing for this month. Of course, by Dossier. Y'all know I'm a Dossier girl, so every month I have to show you the scent that I am wearing. So let me quickly open it up so I can show it to you. So this is the citrus green apple. There you go. I'm bringing the bottle a little bit closer to see if you guys can see it. It's really cute. Oh, I can never get enough of this. Oh my goodness. I'm so excited. This one is inspired by Dolce and Gabbana light blue. Oh, you guys, I used to love light blue, especially when I first came here. So I'm super excited. I cannot wait to see how this perfume compare with the original light blue. I'm super excited to go back to my old scent. Yes. Oh my goodness. I remember those days, you guys. I remember those days. Oh my God. I'm telling you guys, light blue is the perfect scent for spring, you guys. It's one of the scents you can never get enough of. And as I mentioned, it is so perfect for spring. Okay, and summer. If you have not tried light blue, check it out because you are going to love it. It's citrusy. Is that a word? It's sweet, but it has a little spice to it that gives it a little kick, but it's light. It's not heavy. I think that's what makes it a great scent for spring. So I'm sure it's gonna last because Dossier scent normally, most of them, not all of them, but most of them do last a long time, and you are going to get a lot of compliments. I think they did a great job at creating the dupe for the light blue. It smells really good. When the wind blows during spring, the scent could just come out, but it's fresh, okay? And I love it. So this is a perfect scent for summer, perfect scent for spring. Check out the citrus green apple by Dossier. You will save a lot of money by going with Dossier. Link for it will be in the description box, and also y'all know I have a code for you, Dalou 10, to save more money. Thanks to Dossier for sponsoring today's video. Now let's go straight to decorating my bathroom. If you are new, this is what the bathroom looks like. The backsplash is a peel and stick tile. The link for the tile will be in the description box. It is from Amazon. Because I have this blue wall art on the wall, I wanted to keep the accent blue in the bathroom. I was kind of super excited when I found this blue and gold towels from Home Sense with the pineapple on them. What a great way to welcome anyone. I just noticed one of the towels is upside down. I will be fixing that later. The way I'm displaying these towels is one of my favorite way to display towels, especially when I only have 2 towels. I love it because it makes it look like I have more than 2 towels. I'm keeping the towel bar pretty simple. It is spring. I don't want to do too much. Now I'm going to move on to the countertop. First off is this super beautiful gold vase. You guys already know most of the accessories are going to be from my store, glamstylehomedecor.com. This is where you will find most of the accessories that I'm going to be using today. Anything that is not from my store, I will let you know. Inside of my beautiful vase will be the spring branches. On the other side, I'm starting with a super cute tray. And then I'm gonna add my soap and lotion dispensers. These are from my website, but I think they are out of stock. And then I'm going to have a super duper beautiful sophisticated candle. I love it. I just want to show you, if you want, you can leave the vanity like that. It is simple, it is super cute, it is your choice, but as for me, yeah, no more is better, so I'm gonna add a little bit more. On top of the toilet, I am going to have this marble tray with gold handle. Super cute. It is from my website, but it is also out of stock. And then we're going to have some flowers with a bunny. I am not using the bunny for holiday purposes. I'm only using it because it is super cute. It is a cute decorative piece. For my shower curtains, here they are. Of course, I have two of them. You can see the one inside and the other one, the one on the outside. It's a sheer curtain because it's spring. I wanted to have something lighter, so it's super cute. It's really beautiful. And this is what everything looks like together. If you are new, welcome to the Glam Squad family. I share glam home decor, a little bit of cleaning, some DIYs. If you're interested in any of these, please hit your subscribe button, turn on your notification bell so they can let you know as soon as I upload a new video. And to all of you, my fellow Glam Squad, thanks for stopping by again one more time. I am so glad to see you here. Remember, I am on Instagram at decor.glamstyle by Dalou and on Facebook and TikTok at glamstyle with Dalou. Also, I have a home decor store, as I mentioned earlier, glamstylehomedecor.com. My friends, please leave a comment below. Let me know what you think about my bathroom refresh for spring. Alright guys, thanks to all of you for stopping by. I hope you had enjoyed my bathroom refresh for spring. If you have, make sure you give it a big thumbs up and share it with a friend or on your social media pages. I look forward to seeing you all on my next video. Remember before you leave to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. I love you always. Bye bye. Mwah.